Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Happy Onam. Today is Panchangam, 15th September 2024, 13th Avani Masam, Sunday, Krodhinama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varshadado Avani Masam, that is Simha Masam, Shukla Paksham, up to 3:29 p.m. Dwadashi, then Trayodashi, Bhanuvasaram, up to 5:04 p.m. Tiruvonam, then Avittan Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamakandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Midhuna Rashi. Once again, happy Onam to all of you and your family members.